Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping. On the application of Duolingo, you will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.